What are the most important things you need to know to protect yourself and your family in the winter months? Hello and welcome. I'm Anna Burr with Burr Injury Law. And while winter in Colorado is beautiful, it can be one of the most dangerous times of year when it comes to accidents and injuries. Every winter, we see a sharp increase in car crashes, slip and fall injuries, pedestrian accidents, and other incidents that leave people hurt, overwhelmed, and unsure about what to do next. Today's video is about prevention first, how to stay safe during the winter months, but we're also going to talk about what to do if something does go wrong. Because even when you do everything right, accidents still happen. Now, this is not legal advice for a specific case. This is general information meant to help you make informed, safer choices during Colorado's winter months. If you think that you may have a specific case, please give us a call and we'd be glad to talk with you about it. So let's get started. First, winter driving safety in Colorado. Why winter driving is so dangerous here? Well, Colorado winters are unique. We have sudden snowstorms, black ice, rapid temperature changes, mountain driving conditions, and drivers who underestimate how quickly conditions can change. Many winter crashes are not caused by reckless driving. They're caused by normal driving in unsafe conditions. So before you drive, know that prevention matters. Make sure your tires have good tread. Keep your windshield clear and your lights clean so you can see. Carry an emergency kit with blankets, gloves, flashlight, a phone charger, maybe some snacks and some water too. Allow yourself extra travel time. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people rushing in winter weather. Give yourself time to reduce the risk more than anything else. And while you're driving, here are some most important winter driving tips. Slow down. Even if the road looks fine, there may be black ice patches that you can't see. Increase your following distance and brake gently and early. Avoid sudden lane changes. And remember, four-wheel drive helps you go. It does not help you stop. Black ice is especially dangerous because you often don't see it until it's too late. So if you start to slide, first, stay calm. Ease off the brakes, steer gently in the direction you want to go, and avoid overcorrecting. Panic causes most secondary accidents. So if you're in a winter crash, because they do happen, what should you do? First, call 911 and check for injuries. If it's safe to move your vehicles, do so, but only after taking photos of their final resting locations. Also take photos of the road conditions, the weather, and photos of one another's information, driver's license, license plate, and insurance. Seek medical care even if your injuries seem minor. Many winter-related injuries show up days later, especially neck, back, and head injuries. So now slip and fall injuries, which are very common in the winter months. These increase dramatically due to obvious reasons: icy sidewalks, poorly cleared parking lots, snow-packed stairs, black ice near entrances. These falls can cause serious injuries, broken bones, concussions, spinal injuries, especially in older adults. Commonly, these sorts of falls happen at grocery stores, apartment complexes, office buildings, restaurants. And so there are things that you can do to reduce your risk. First, wear footwear with good traction. Save your fancy shoes for once you're safely inside the building. Walk slowly and deliberately, and use handrails if they're present. Avoid carrying items that block your view or set you off balance. And watch for shaded areas where ice can linger. If you do fall, report it immediately. Documentation of the cause of your fall is critical, and you often can't get it after the fact. Take photos of the area, of the thing that caused you to fall, and get names of anybody who may have seen the incident. Seek medical attention if you need it. Don't brush this off. Many people regret waiting once their symptoms worsen and we no longer have the evidence to pursue a claim. Pedestrian and bicycle safety in the winter. Shorter daylight hours, blocked visibility due to snowbanks, slippery crosswalks, and inattentive drivers can all increase your risk as a pedestrian or a cyclist. So, what should you do to help prevent accident and injury? Wear bright, reflective clothing so that people can see you when it gets darker earlier. Make eye contact with drivers and assume they don't see you. Use extra care even if you have the legal right of way. Choose well-lit routes and places that you know you can cross safely. If you are struck by a vehicle, call 911 immediately and seek medical attention. Again, document everything if possible, and know that even low-speed impacts can cause serious injuries. So what are some ways that you can maintain winter safety at home or on private property? Common injuries are not always on the road. They can happen on icy driveways, while clearing snow, straining or overexertion. And so what are some things that you can do? Use ice melt early and consistently to keep yourself and your guests safe on your property. Wear proper footwear, avoid climbing ladders alone, and take breaks when shoveling so you don't strain yourself. Many winter injuries happen because people try to just get it done and over with. But that's often when people are careless and when accidents can happen. If you or someone you know has been injured because of winter conditions and a failure to maintain a safe property, give us a call at Burr Injury Law. We're here to help.